So, hi guys, this video is regarding how to place order for books alone from Shreshta. First and foremost important clarification which I want to give is, see, our materials, or we can also call it as our material or books, Shrestha materials. We strictly recommend these books will be useful to the best only if you are watching Shrestha lectures. Suppose if a student decided, sir, can I only buy your own material? Like I already went through coaching at some other institution or somewhere. Somehow I liked your material. I wanted to go with, your material. Can I do so? That is your choice. But believe me, only with our lectures, you will get best. You can squeeze maximum out of our books. Fine. So this is first important disclaimer I'm giving. Now, so everyone are asking like, sir, how many books that we get? What do we get? So first I'll explain here what you're going to get, how many pages, everything, charges altogether. Then I'll explain how to place an order, Please watch this video, very important. Whether you are our Shrestha subject wise student, subscription student, regular course student, whoever it is, please watch this video till the end, very important. Most importantly, if at all you are deciding to get a course from now onwards, actually I'm doing this video 20th June early morning 1 o'clock. Okay, if at all you want to buy some course with us, lectures, like it may be taxation subject, or you want to buy subscription which is very popular with us, or regular course you want to buy, whatever, now onwards strictly follow one thing. First, place order for books. Okay, you will be getting this books maximum within 7 days to worst case it may take up to 10 days. 7 days to 10 days. Sir, how to place an order? I'll tell you. So first you place order for books, then you can buy the lectures. I will explain you completely detailedly, entire this process. Now first, just let me show you where you can place the order for our Shrestha material. This is our Shrestha application. Okay, so actually I'm using an iPad. The interface is same in Android even as well as iPhone. So interface is same both. In all the cases it is more or less looks similar. Like if you download Class Plus application, suppose if you are like I have given you clearly below. So getting it, Android users, you can place the order in our Play Store application called Shrestha for CA and CMA. There is a Play Store application, you place order there. Inside that, so this will appear right now. Whatever I'm showing, this will appear. Okay, suppose if you're an iOS user, you may be an iPhone or you may be using iPad, whatever. Okay, download Class Plus app from App Store and you need to use the ORG code called JKSAA and then log in. So first you need to place order for books. Once you received, immediately place order for lectures and start listening. Now, so what are the specialities of the book? What is the pricing? What is the approach? Everything once again I'll clearly explain here. Maximum in another 10 minutes I'll close the video. Totally 15 to 20 minutes video maximum. Now you see, like, sir, how we can buy the books? You can buy the books in the following options. Mostly the students who register with our courses are subscription students and regular course students of full group. Generally students with us, what is popular is generally people buy full group itself. So full group 1, you will totally have 9 books. Full group 1, you'll how many have? Totally 9 books you'll be having. Like for accounting itself, 3 books you'll get. Main material, solutions and running notes. Law you will get 2 books, company law, other law. And then costing you'll get 2 books, main material, solutions. Taxation you will get 2 books, main material, income tax, GST main material, which includes solutions also. Getting it? Now you may have a doubt, sir, for tax running notes, what about that? That's again different one. Till now we have not yet made tax running notes completely ready. So that will be available from July end onwards. Let us not have confusion on that. Let's ignore running notes of other subjects. For accounts, mainly running notes is important, so that we are giving as part of the package. Now, so what is the price the student ultimately has to pay? For group 1, full 9 books, 3060 rupees you have to pay, 3060. Out of this, we are incurring 550 rupees purely for courier, which means hardly student is incurring how much for entire group 1, 2500. Courier charges is something out of pocket expenditure, right? That too we will send you by speed post. Now, How many books you'll get for group 1? 9 books. You know how many pages it will be? 2500 pages approximately. You know what do you get in each and every book? You'll get timetable. We have made a timetable for all our subscription regular course student. Whoever is taking full group coaching with Shrestha, how to cover full group syllabus, how to watch lectures 8 hours every day. For every 4 days, 1 day break, 93 days, lectures, study plan is already made by us. That timetable is also part of book. That timetable is also part of each and every book. That's it. Now, sir, so that's about group 1. If at all you want to get a group 1 set. Now, sir, I want group 2 set, sir. What is the price? You will be getting 8 books. Accounting, again, you'll get 3 books. Auditing, 1 book. Paper 7 EAS separate book. Paper 7 SM separate book. Paper 8 FM separate book. Paper 8 economics separate book. Totally 8 books you'll be getting it. So it will have approximately 2000 pages, which will be splitted over 8 books. Getting it? The maximum price student has to pay is how much? Hardly 2400. Sir, where to pay? How to place order? Just a minute, I'm coming to that. Suppose, sir, I don't want entire group, sir. I don't want entire group book. I want only some 2 or 3 subjects. Sir, suppose I want paper 1 accounting book alone, sir. How much is the price? 990 rupees. Sir, why, sir? Only one subject 990? Man, I'm telling you, courier cost itself is 210 rupees. Approximately 700, the book that we are giving, the paper quality will be of very good. We use 75 GSM quality. Very good paper quality, A4. We don't use very thin papers, binding. No, not of, substandard quality. We use high quality materials completely. You will get a book. I'll do a book once I receive one copy already placed for me. Once I receive the book, I'll do unboxing video. You'll get books, right? Completely wrapped up with a, polythene paper. Completely polythene, transparent polythene cover. We will wrap it up, and above that there will be a cover, and on that, postage, everything will be printed, and then that will be delivered to you. Books will be delivered to you in intact condition. So that is the kind of quality that is the kind of precaution that we are taking. So 990 rupees, you will get entire book, out of which 210 goes itself for courier. That we can't do anything, right? And suppose, sir, I only purchased law classes, sir. I either purchased full company law or only other laws, or both I purchased, sir. What should I do? You need to place order for both the books separately. Yes, you need to place separately. For company law, book will be 440. For other laws, it will be 400. Sir, can I place order for both of them together? No. We are giving you to place order separately for company law, separately for other law. You will get separate couriers only. Are you getting it? Sir, but what about lectures? I want to buy entire law lectures together. Can I buy lectures only for entire law? Yes. Only one course you can buy, paper 2 course, subject wise I will show you. But materials you need to place separately. Suppose you are buying a subject. In the 2 sub-subjects are there. You want to place order for material, you will have to place 2 times separately. If you see accounting, no, all the 3 books put together, only 1 order. But if you see company law, this separate order, other law, you need to place separate order. Again, costing. 2 materials were there, but only 1 single order. How much is the price? 780, which includes courier charge as well. Remember, this is the column. Only this is the column which student has to ultimately pay. So likewise, even for if you see paper 5, paper 6, paper 7, paper 7B, paper 8A, paper 8B, what is the price that we are charging? We have clearly mentioned here. And if you see below, notes also given clearly. Whatever the price that we are charging, no, it is ultimately that whatever you pay, it is ultimate amount. Whatever the last column, that is ultimate price, which includes, we are charging, we need to pay GST, right? Approximately 5% is GST applicable for printed books, sale of printed books. Okay. Internet handling charges we have to pay. Wrapping charges we have to pay. We have to pay binding, we have to pay lamination, and above all, speed post. In addition to all this, paper cost and printing cost. Altogether, we are asking you this. Sir, is it compulsory that we should buy books only from Shrestha application? Like, what about soft copy? Will you give soft copy, and can we take a printout at a local vendor? That is your choice. Absolutely. Soft copy is given at free. Same material. You can take at your local vendor also. Print out. But believe me, if you go to any local vendor and take printout of 2500 pages for group 1, 9 books, you'll have totally 9 books. So if you take this printout, you will be paying more than 3000. More than 3000. You will not get binding. You will not get that, decent posh look. But we are giving you entirely at that price. You just check it out. You just check it out. Group 1 plus group 2 put together, including approximately 1000 rupees courier. Including 1000 rupees courier, we are hardly charging 4500. Sorry, 5500. Without courier, both group 1, group 2 put together 17 books. What would be the price? Approximately 4-5 only. That too with high quality paper, all that. In fact, we are not going for bulk printing. We are not ordering bulk at a time, and then we do like student place today 10 orders. We will place 10 orders to our service provider, and they will take printout tomorrow, and day after tomorrow they'll dispatch. We are not even going for bulk. Now you just check many other institutions how much they are charging for material where they use substandard page quality, substandard binding, and where they'll have bulk material option. They go bulk, still they are charging 7,000, 8,000 for only materials for both the groups. Whereas we are giving high quality books with the courier, all together it will be for entire group 1 3,000, for entire group 2 2,400. And if you just want subject wise, this is the pricing. Sir, where can I find all this information? Fine. Simple. Just come back to the application. Just open application along with me if possible. So you just check it out. Just a minute. So like you open the application, right? If you're using iPhone, Class Plus application, I told you how to do. Okay. And if you're an Android user, whatever. Now you see here, like as soon as you open the app, here you will find something called categories. Here in this first category is what? Only books. Select that. Select that. One point again, important point. You want to subscribe for either group 1 classes or group 2 classes under subscription mode or regular course, or you want to go and buy for some subject wise classes. First, what I'm asking you to do, first order books. Within 1 week you will be getting delivery. After receiving delivery, then place order for lectures, so that day one onwards itself, day one of the lectures itself, you can have books simultaneously and you can start. Getting my point? Now, if you see here once again, sorry. So this is the application, this is the home, this is the home. Okay. So this is the home, bottom you see, this is the home button. There will be 5 options. Now go to store, middle button, go to store. On the top, you will find something called only books. Click on only books. You will see here around 14 types of orders you can place. Just click on view all the courses. Just go to the bottom. Sir, I want to buy group 1 books, sir. Just last one, you see, last one, group 1 books if you open. So there is a group 1. Now here you check on the top here, there is something called content. Yes or no? Click on that. So right now I used some paper, no, I showed some paper, no, like, okay, sorry, I think content I can't open. I can't open the content because of security reasons. Okay, whatever the paper I showed, which paper? Just now this paper I showed, no, that paper you will find there, price list. Okay, now, so 3060. You see here, totally group 1 only books. Remember, if you buy this, no, below you see here, it shows 3060, and you need to put your full name, address, everything, landmark, what is the state, pin code, mobile number, everything clearly you need to mention. And go to the bottom. Actually here it is not visible because of some screen sharing. Buy now, below it will show bottom at bottom. Like you need to go bottom, it will show some 3060. You need to pay that. And you see here what information. You see here, especially if you see here, what are the books that you are getting? 9 books you are getting. What are the 9 books that you are getting? That list is also given. Now, soft copy can be downloaded in main menu. Where, sir? You go to main menu. Getting it? You go to main menu. Here there is something called study material. Okay. So CA Inter, Group 1, Paper 1 Accounting. You see main material solutions and running notes. Running notes chapter wise is given here. You can download. Getting it? Main material. You see here. It will open. So how main material looks like? Actually is a security feature. These are all because we can't open and read any content on the application. That's the problem. Okay. So that's it. Sir, suppose I want to place group 2 books, sir. What should I do? This one. You need to select this one. Okay. How many books that you will be getting? 8 books. So what are the things that includes? Group 2 set includes. Below we have given 8 books you'll be getting. What are the 8 books that you are getting? In return when you place the order. So how to the first you select buy now, it will ask for your address details, all that. I hope you are understanding. Getting it? So in fact, whatever this video, no, you're watching in the course also. In this book, in this here, there is a content, no. Here you will be finding the video which you're watching right now. That's it. So even now what about my, there are some students who are having some queries. Sir, I'm already existing student, sir. Should I also take all these books print out? Should I order these books? That is your choice. If at all till date you have not taken print of any of the book, you can place order here happily. Sir, but I already started watching the classes. Now if I place order, should I wait until books reach me? No need. You can continue. Once book reaches, you just practice. Now onwards, whoever want to buy our classes, whoever want to take our classes, first place order for books. Then after you receive the delivery, then buy that particular lecture. I think that would be better, right? Now, sir, by the way, you are saying lectures. No, what lectures, sir? Now here again you see here again you see there are only books subject wise, all that. No, just again I'll open this courses. So you see here subscription model, you click. We have subscription model, three courses we have subscription. This is lectures, ma. This is not book, this is lecture. If you buy book, only book you will get access. You will not get lectures access. That is only book price. Understand? Now here we are showing prices. No, this is purely lecture price. This is purely lectures price. Now you see, suppose you purchased group 2. You want to buy group 2 lectures. So what you will get in group 2 lectures? You open content. Okay. So before you buy, before you subscribe, there is something very important that you need to watch. So that video. Now, sir, you said timetable something. What is that? Timetable and instructions. There is an exclusive video how to follow timetable. Sir, where is the timetable? You are placing order for books, right? In every book, main material of every subject, every book, last you will find timetable of that respective group. Suppose if you order group 2 related subject, then group 2 schedule we will give. How to finish entire group 2 video lectures within 93 days. Day 1, which subject, which chapter, how many hours I should watch lectures, how many breaks I should take, entirely explained clearly. I hope you understood. Clear, everyone? Yes, finally. Sir, which students can buy these books? Anyone can buy these books. But what I'm telling you, preferably when you buy our book, we recommend you strictly to go with our classes, because our classes are so beautiful and fantastic, and based on the classes these books are designed, and you know these books are absolutely as per ICA standards, ICA material. If you follow our own Shreshta material perfectly along with our classes, I cannot give you 100% assurance, but I can give you 90% assurance. If you listen to all our classes properly with our books, practicing from our books, do one proper revision based on revision videos which we are providing, do MCQ analysis properly based on MCQ videos that we are providing, cover RTP based on RTP videos that we are providing. If you just follow whatever instructions we give, you know, we don't ask any student to work hard. You just have to watch lectures every day, 8 hours. How many days? Total 93 days you have duration. 31 days, month 1 subscription. Over 30, another 31 days you will buy second time. Again 31 days you will buy third time. That is free. Totally 93 days you'll have access to the class. You know what? For every 4 days, 1 day you will have to take break. That's how we design schedule. We have designed most productive schedule ever. That's it. And very soon I'll do a books video as well. And that video also you will find in books course. I have showed, you know, books, how to buy. Inside that itself you will find video of books unboxing video very soon. In every you know course that we have created, you will find books unboxing video, and even this video will be uploaded in every course, how to buy the books. That's it. So have a nice time. All the best. Bye bye.